Transit Police at 617-222-1212. Remember, if you see something, say something.
My friend fed this little guy a French frog. He flew off to it, but not far, with it. Isn't he cute?